A business sells n brooms, where n is less than or equal to 32, at a price of 10 minus 1/10 n dollars per broom. How many brooms must be sold to have a revenue of $210? I know that revenue is equal to the price per broom times the number of brooms sold. We're given that the revenue has to be $210. We're also given that the price per broom is 10 minus 1/10 n. The number of brooms is n. We're also given that the number of brooms sold has to be less than or equal to 32. To solve this equation, I will use the distributive property on the right, and I'll get 10n minus 0.1 n squared. Now, I notice that I have a squared term, so I'm going to set one side equal to 0. To make sure that the squared term is positive, I will add everything over to the left-hand side. So I will have 0.1 n squared minus 10n plus 210 equal to 0. At this point, we can solve this equation using the quadratic formula, where a is 1/10, b is -10, and c is 210. So we have n equal to the opposite of b, so 10 plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c. That will all be over 2 times a. Simplifying gives us 10 plus or minus. Now if we put this into a calculator, we should get the square root of 16, and that will be all over 2/10. We know that the square root of 16 is 4. So at this point, we should be able to write this in terms of the two solutions. So n is 10 plus 4 divided by 2/10, or n is 10 minus 4 divided by 2/10. On the left-hand side, 10 plus 4 divided by 2/10 will give us 70. The right-hand side, 10 minus 4 divided by 2/10 is 30. Now, we were given at the beginning of the problem that n has to be less than or equal to 32, so this solution is not included in our range of values for n. So the solution to the problem is 30 brooms.